Hi Kerala, hope you are doing well. Thank you for your trust. I have set up your Notion template. I am going to submit this work and let me know if you need any changes in further something. So this is main dashboard of Life OS Notion template. So here is the banner logo, then Life OS template name, then usage of this template when click here. So here is the template link. When click here, so new page will be open, and just we need to duplicate in our Notion account. Then here is the each morning usage, like click here, review this. Then use of pages organize life, click here and review this. Then use of the following navigator section, click here and use this. So this is use of this Life OS Notion template, how we can use this. So first of all, we should to discuss about navigation pages. Like here I have built brain dump, to-do list, budget tracker, resources, life goal, OS and sticky notes. So first I am going to open brain dump page database. Here is the all custom field available, like title, area, date created and so more according to need. Here is the table view, then board view, then gallery view, timeline view, then status view. So this is brain dump page with database. Second is to-do list. In to-do list page, here is the all task name, date, status, priority, so more, with a table view, back calendar view. Here you can check out, then Kanban board view, then priority view, then area view. So this is the intro of to-do list page with database. Then third page is budget tracker. So in this budget tracker page, here is the database, like name, date, amount, account, so more. um, I have put this dummy data to check out like everything is going to work. So here I need to calculate the plus section percent, calculate control. Oh, okay, 3 more action sum. So then is the table view, then monthly overview, then incoming transaction, expense transaction, calendar view. So this is the intro of budget tracker page with database. Then next page is resources. In resources page with database, like name and relation with the related dump database. So then type and so more. Then this is resource table view, then type view, then area view, then recently added, then calendar view. So this is intro of resource library database. Then next last, life goal dash database. Here is the life goal name, priority, category, progress and so more. Here is the table view, then gallery view, then category view, then timeline. So then last page name is sticky notes. So in this sticky notes section, I have built database here. Sorry, in page I have set up the database, like in gallery view, then all notes, then by color, then priority boards, etc. Like so, this is overall pages view. And then we should discuss a quick action, like here is the add new task. So just we need to click here. When we click here, so in the right side new page will be open and task will be created. We just need to put the task name, put these all entries here in this page. Then next quick button action is add random database. Then add new sources, add sticky notes, add goals. So when like we click add new sources, so this entry will be saved in a resource database. So here is the linked database, like to the task will be show here. Like here I have built filter views and sort views. Like to the task will be here, mode of the day. Today mode will be show here like happy, sad, something. Then weekly summary will be show here. Then sticky notes will be show here. Recent resources will be show here. Activity life goals will be show here. So this is overview of your Notion template, and I am going to send you this video with the Notion template link. Please check out and let me know if you need anything. If everything is good, so please accept it and share our feedback. Thank you.